Welcome to our tutorial on how to review your information on Instagram on PC. To get started, open Instagram.com in your web browser. Once you're logged in, click on the menu icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. From there, select Your Activity from the menu options. Next, click on Account History to view any changes that you've made to your account. This feature allows you to see a detailed log of all the actions you've taken on your account, such as changing your profile picture or updating your bio. By reviewing your account history, you can easily track any changes that have been made and ensure that everything is up to date. This can be especially helpful if you suspect any unauthorized activity on your account. In addition to reviewing your account history, you can also take steps to secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication and regularly updating your password. By following these simple steps, you can stay informed and in control of your account at all times. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.